The foldable phone battle is about to get serious. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the iPhone Ultra are expected to feature a book-style foldable design. When closed, they'll look like regular smartphones, but once unfolded, they transform into mini tablets, giving users a much larger screen for gaming, multitasking, and content consumption. Let's compare the display, performance, cameras, battery, and price to see which foldable wins. Display. Starting with the cover display, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 features a 5.5-inch screen, while the iPhone Ultra comes with a slightly smaller 5.49-inch display. Open them up and Samsung gives you a 7.6-inch inner screen, while Apple goes a bit bigger with a 7.76-inch display. Both phones support 120Hz refresh rates for smooth scrolling and gaming. Samsung uses dynamic AMOLED 2X panels, while Apple uses LTPO OLED technology. Samsung's new Flex titanium hinge is designed to improve durability and reduce the display crease. Apple has developed a new technology to make the screen crease much less visible. It uses a special metal support plate that helps spread the pressure evenly when the phone folds. This allows the display to bend more smoothly and creates a smaller, less noticeable crease in the middle of the screen. Both devices are incredibly thin at just 4.5mm when unfolded. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process running Android 17 with One UI 9. The iPhone Ultra is expected to feature Apple's powerful A20 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process, and run iOS 27. Samsung offers up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256 and 512 storage, while Apple is expected to offer 12GB LPDDR6 RAM with storage options up to 256, 512, and 1TB. Cameras. On the back, Samsung packs a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The iPhone Ultra features a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, Samsung includes two 10-megapixel cameras, one on the cover display and one inside. Apple is expected to use two 18-megapixel selfie cameras, one outside and one inside. Both phones can record 4K 60fps video using both rear and selfie cameras. Battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 comes with a 4,800 mAh battery, 45-watt wired charging, and wireless charging support. The iPhone Ultra features a slightly larger 4,883 mAh battery with 40 watts wired charging and wireless charging. Colors. Samsung offers 4 colors: cream, graphite, lavender, and pistachio. Apple keeps it simple with black and white. Price. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is started from $1,899, making it one of Samsung's most premium smartphones. The iPhone Ultra, on the other hand, is rumored to start at $2,299, making it Apple's most expensive iPhone ever. So that's the Galaxy Z Fold 8 versus the iPhone Ultra. Samsung is offering a more affordable foldable with flagship specs, while Apple is entering the foldable market with premium engineering, a powerful 2nm chip, and a major focus on reducing the display crease. Now it's your turn. If you had the money to buy only one foldable, which one would you choose? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 or the iPhone Ultra? Drop your choice in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone comparisons and tech updates. See you in the next one.